Now we are going to do after completion of probability. Completion of probability in the sense we have done to some extent. Don't think I am finishing and therefore you are benefited. You have to practice more problems. Every chapter I am particularly saying the same reason. We can give to some extent guidance or else use the information. Based on that, if you practice more number of problems, that is your original at the time of exam. Hence, I am saying that probability is finished reason. Some ideas I give, more than that I give 2 assignments, more number of problems for your sake. Okay, practice more. That will help. Similarly, the next and almost last topic is called functions. Actually, it must be in the beginning as per the order of priority, but the reason why I am doing the same order, you prepare yourself. You select questions also in the same order. What are the topics which I taught in the order? Same you select. Okay. For that reason, I am now ending the second year syllabus with the so-called chapter called functions. Definitely there is a fun when you do this chapter, because after finishing chapter you feel that you don't know anything. There is a fun at the end. Hence, last chapter I am doing. So, in this chapter, the concept or else a synopsis, you make a plan of action that the order is important. Here, in this chapter, when they select a question for the exams, in any entrance exam, what are the things they have to select? I give some order, the same priority order also follow, practice the problems also. When you do revision in the same way, you finish this order, so you will be perfect with the chapter. So in the beginning, if they ask problems from this chapter in functions, indirectly related to relations sets also, set theory relations set, so it is part of first year. But after that only we have to start, but it is better. Functions alone I am doing. As per the beginning, they will definitely ask you one question from how you find domain and range. Irrespective of types of functions, definitions, all that I am not asking you, and I am not doing, does not imply they will not give. It is possible. You just go through PUC revision. It is because of crash course, we should go for crash course only. I cannot ask you for long-term coaching like define function, where A and B are non-empty sets, not like that. So, that is the reason, direct attack. What they will ask the first question compulsory is either domain or range. How to find domain and range. There is one list of functions in the order. So, we will write that list. Then, next, composite function. Composite product, it is called. Product, don't think we are multiplying two functions. It is the title is given because we are writing two functions. Looks like product, but it is combination of product of two functions. Combination of two functions. Composite. Already we have done so many problems related to this in other chapters. As per formality in this chapter, we are going for this definition and their conditions, properties, problems. Definitely this is possible in NDA because it is direct problem, easy to finish. This is possible in CAT and other national examinations. This is for NDA, NATA and other simple examinations. Composite product of two functions or three functions. After that, very important and very useful, even inverse of a function, how to find it. F inverse calculation. There is one list of functions in the order I will give you. You write the answers directly. How you will write inverse directly, I will give some ideas. Based on that, you can improve. This is for inverse. Then, after this, if they ask problems related to standard theorems, what are our standard theorems? One functions bisective, composite is bisective, composite is inverse function. Okay, problems. Problems on oral. Okay, overall composite function inverse, f of x, what is f circle g of x, like that you will ask some problems, some common problems we are doing. This is your order as per the functions chapter. Then first we start with the domain range. Dangerous unit it is. Range is not that direct. Very few problems they will ask, but domain is very guaranteed. Hence, first we start with what is the meaning of domain. Domain, as per CS students, if we consider, we can put it in the alternate formation as a input. Okay. Domain is input, range is output. Okay. This is what input. Intake. Intake here means suppose if we call a function is y equal to f of x, where x is independent variable, we know from the beginning y is dependent variable f of x. Then once x is independent, free of choice, it takes any value, it assumes any value, so called input. Okay. Once x takes any value, for example x square plus 1, what is x here variable, because I say it is on real numbers, it assumes any number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Once x takes some value, immediately output will come. Output, answer, solution, range. Hence domain is set of all values of x where the function is defined as per subject language, defined. Sometimes where it is not defined also we can put information. That is what defined. X values I am giving. What are the y values here we are getting is a solution set. Ranges from, the values of y ranges from 0 to 5. That is so called 0 is starting, 5 is ending, minimum, least, smallest, left side value, greatest, highest, maximum, right side value. In general, if both are getting here, if I write both are including closed interval, that means forever x belongs to 0 to 3, y belongs to entire calculus, trigonometry, everything we dealt with this type of intervals, so called range of the function. Values of y, that is our main relation between domain and range, or else definitions. Hence what we can call here, first domain of a function definition is the set of all values of x, x-axis. Graphically, x-axis is domain, y-axis is range. Because of this, you will notice in your trigonometry sin x graph on y-axis minus 1 to 1. Therefore, that is called range of the function. Values of x, where or for which fx is defined, is called domain of f of x. That is the reason we start definitions. We didn't write even you got in PUC also. Define a function. A function from a to b is such that. Okay. After that, what we are writing here, a is called domain. Defined. Is called domain of f of x. Then range means the solution set, or we say values of y for the values of x is called range of f of range of y we can call, or range of y equal to f of x. range of the function. Okay, this is about basic things only. Now we will go for one example. If we can give, you will get clarity. Why we call it a defined all that. Suppose if I write f of x 1 by x, very simple function, where it is defined, where it is not defined, anyone we have to put. Defined in the sense because it is in the denominator, x cannot take 0. Immediately right hand side in some statements we will observe that they will write in the brackets x not equal to 0 or x not equal to 1, no, x is not minus 1. Like that we will notice all that is because eligibility for the question itself means function statement. The eligibility of the problem exists. It has its own existence. Where it has got existence whenever it is not 0. Existence and non-existence. Defined, not defined. That is the reason you put like this. This is called domain only. Except 0, everywhere it is defined. Either you write the answer like this, x not equal to 0, or what is alternative sometimes in options, all real numbers except 0. Or in some rare cases, symbolic form, set theory only. What is set notations we can write except 0, R naught. Small dot circle in the suffix indicates R naught. R naught, Z naught means except 0. Non-zero integers. Okay? That is called non-zero real number. This is about the domain, alternate language only, where it is defined. Same if I am writing 1 by x minus 1, where it is defined, 0 is no problem. 1 is a problem. Except 1, everywhere we are happy. Safe side. So called domain. Okay. So what we should write here, x is not equal to 1 immediately. Or what is alternate form? All real numbers except. Like this if I go so on, we will get varieties of examples. Better we will write all this in a list of standard functions as a domain. Okay. For some problems we will consider range also. What is range here? Suppose this example 1 by x. Range is meaning what are the varieties of answers we are getting. Answers. What varieties of answers possible except 0? You write 1, 2, 3, 4 positive integers. Positive fractions or rational numbers integers. Negative also write down. Negative also we are getting. Okay. Means all range means all real numbers we are able to see. That is the reason. Range is nothing but solution set R for this. For this also R we are getting all real numbers except 1. So this is all about domain and range definition for clarity only. Now we will write what exactly the list of standard functions for getting domain that we are writing. So this is a very useful chapter actually. Entire calculus we are using this. So now first you write serial number, function, what type of function we take, and their domain. This is range. First we start with very simple function. How much simple it is? This is actually y equal to f of x. I write common x. Fx is x. Normally we know about fx equal to x is identity function. Okay. Identity function is eligible for every item in the chapter. Every item, it is bijective. It has inverse. In fact, its inverse is itself only. Okay. It has the domain, range, everything we are writing. It assumes all real numbers are. No objection? 0, positive, negative, everything is possible. Same if I write 1 by x, I will get here R naught. non-zero real numbers, or x not equal to 0. Simple. That is, then root x. Whenever we have a function, first instead of going for a formula, you think in this way: where it is defined, meaningful; where it is not defined, meaningless. That things you have to calculate, right? So when it is root x, because it is a square root, we know square root is defined for positive real numbers, negative defined in the case of complex numbers. We are dealing this chapter only on R, real number system. Hence, here definitely how we can write x must be positive, strictly positive, no negative, because it is in the numerator. 0 is also meaningful, and hence greater than or equal to 0. That is one way of writing. No negative numbers. Then x greater than or equal to 0 on the real line, as we know real numbers, real line inequalities, how to write because of chapter linear programming and the linear inequalities. X greater than or equal to 0 on the real line, where it will go 0 to right hand infinity. Or how to write interval notation? Closed 0, infinity is anyway open only. This is possible. Okay. Either interval notation or inequality. Then same problem is write in the denominator. 0 not possible. All positive only. So it is called x greater than 0. Therefore 0 to infinity. Take this 1 by x minus a, any real number a, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on, anything. Where it is not defined, sometimes they will ask questions in this chapter reverse. Find the domain, common question. Where it is defined. Some people will give questions in some exams. Find the values of x for which fx is not defined. Answer is x equal to a. That is also possible. So here we will write simple language x not equal to a. One answer. R. All real numbers except a. Except a. If they give plus here, okay. Suppose if I give x plus a, x is not equal to minus a, or r minus of minus a. This is called domain of a linear function in the denominator. Okay. Suppose if I give same problem in the square root, denominator only, x minus a, x equal to a, anyway not possible. Because it is in the denominator, x is not equal to a. And because it is in the square root, it must be positive. What is its meaning? It is strictly saying that x minus a greater than 0. Therefore, x greater than a, answer R. When x greater than a, what is interval notation? As per inequalities, we know well, many times we applied. After a, everyone know. But not a, means open a to infinity. Plus means understood, so one I am writing, other I give here. This is when a linear function in the denominator with root, without root. Very common problem. These are all. Now next step is, suppose if they give like this quadratic function, square root of ax square plus bx plus c. Then here it is in the numerator also, and since only problem objection is at the square root, we have objection only at square root must be positive. ax square plus bx plus c is greater than or equal to 0. Because this quadratic inequality or quadratic equation, consider alpha, beta, b, the roots. Then we know in LBP, every quadratic can be written as x minus alpha into x minus beta. A is anyway understood common and then I will cancel because on the other hand it is 0. So understood. Like this we can express, and we know solutions of inequalities whenever there is a product greater than or equal to 0. What is real line diagram? Before alpha, after beta. This is our solution. Real line diagram. Or how to write interval notation? Now I write here solution. What is interval notation? X belongs to minus infinity to alpha closed union closed beta to infinity. This is so called interval notation for inequality greater than or equal to 0. Okay, this is about solution, or else we said domain. When it is under square root numerator, same square root if I take into denominator, what is difference? That including alpha beta not possible, except alpha beta, except values of alpha beta means open interval only. This is so called when it is under square roots, quadratic numerator, quadratic denominator with root. Without root also understood except alpha beta everywhere it is defined. Simple problem. If I write what is the domain of ax square plus bx plus c, assume that alpha beta are the roots, definitely x is not equal to alpha beta only, r minus alpha beta. That is very easy, simple to find. With root also I wrote. This is all about quadratic algebraic functions. Now, next one is we go for exponential function. Exponential is a power x, where definitely a greater than 0. Okay, a greater than 0. If a equal to e also, okay, no problem. Where it is defined means what are the possible values of x? 0 is possible because a power 0 1, 1 2 3 anyway possible. Minus 1 2 3 also possible. Everywhere it is possible. Where is objection? Nowhere objection. So called no objection, that is called no failure. All are happy to take. It is free of choice to take everybody. Therefore, we will write R. Okay. This is so called range and the domain means a power x. A equal to e also same only. Exponential function. A can be any number because it is e also allowed. Why I said here a greater than 0 and we know e lies between 2 and 3. Definitely, therefore e power x also same answer. A power x, e power x. This is about exponential function. Next, logarithmic function. Log x. Log x, what is the actual definition also? By definition of log only, x is strictly positive, not even 0. Okay, base I didn't write, understood in algebra, base can be anyone. Means like 10. Base is 10. Any base also okay, no objection. Here, log x, what is their domain? X is strictly greater than 0. Not 0 also. Open interval. 0 to infinity. R plus. Only positive real numbers. No question of negative real numbers. And 0 also not possible. Okay. This is about logarithmic. Only x I wrote. If I change the function, we have to follow our original rule. Under logarithm, whatever it is given quantity, that should be strictly greater than 0. If I give suddenly x plus a, plus a must be greater than 0. Implies x greater than minus a. Or else what to write? Open minus a to infinity. It depends on function here. Hence, in general, you can also remember like this. To find out the domain of log of f of x, it is necessary to consider f of x strictly greater than 0. Not even 0. This is so called the definition of log f of x. Definition defined. Okay. Not defined also, sometimes we will carry same weight. So, as per the list of functions in the order to find out domain, we have got algebraic function, exponential, logarithmic. Trigonometric function here I am not writing. Already we have done more from trigonometry about all 6 functions, domains, range, and their graph, everything we have got discussion. So here we need not write. Okay. Now special function. Every time we have to touch that special functions compulsory. Everywhere, not only in one chapter. What is that special function meaning? Absolute value function, original name. Modulus function, second name. Okay. So here I write next number is mod x. Mod x, what kind of values you can give? Any value you can give. Very good. 0. Okay. Positive. Okay. Negative also okay. That is our definition only. That is the reason domain means definition. Define mod x equal to x when x is positive greater than or equal to 0, minus x negative we are calling. That is the reason everywhere it is defined. Nowhere it is objection. So called domain. Then suddenly they will change the question. In the matter of CET, suddenly I will ask the question. Set of all values of x for which mod x is not defined. You know it is defined. Then what is left over not defined out of R? Answer you should write null set. So basic definition concept is same. As per the change in the statement, you change your answer only. Okay. They did not ask you every throughout the domain only. Sometimes they will ask its complement, means opposite. Where it is not defined. That also, where it is not defined, log of x plus a, when x equal to minus a. Not defined. When x is less than minus a, not defined. Exactly opposite only. What is complement of greater than 0? Less than or equal to 0. Complementary, opposite. As per set T array, we know complement set A bar. That is only. Like that, write your answer. I say mod x domain is R. Where not defined? Nowhere. Nowhere not defined means nowhere means null set. That is okay. This I am writing also here function is in the numerator. Suppose if I give in the denominator like 1 by x. 1 by x mod x okay. Same but not 0. Very nasty that it is R not. Okay. Non-zero real numbers. Positive, negative, everybody is eligible the intake. So this is domain. Mod function is over. Then next special function, and hence I write in the brackets bracket function. You know integer only we are getting. Range is integers. Okay. Range we didn't write anywhere. Okay. But range of this is R. Range of that is R plus R 11. Here range is integers. Answers. Then what is input? You give anybody. Step of x. So called. Domain is real numbers. Range is integers. That is the definition we start in POC. Define step greatest integer function means a function from R to Z is such that domain of range. That is reason. Okay. Right. This is about the domain. Range is integers. Step of x. Then what is next left over? Therefore, flower brackets. What is this flower bracket? This is square bracket. Therefore, flower bracket. is the definition or else a symbolic form. It is a symbolic form for fractional part of x. There is definitely a connection between these two. What is that connection? Write down. Every real number can be written as an integer plus decimal, means fraction. We did this in calculus many times. That is why either they write fractional part of x or x minus step of x. Every real number, suppose x value I will give you 3.2. 3.2. How to break this? Integer is 3, fraction 0.2, decimal. Fraction in the sense understood. Strictly it is between 0 and 1 only. Otherwise it is not fraction. It lies between 0 and 1. Maybe 0, but not 1. That is the reason. Fractional part of x, where it is defined, any real number you can give, but range closed 0 to 1. Range. Domain all real numbers you give, like 3.2. I write 3.0, 3 means 3.0. Then it is 0. This is called range. Okay, all the values you are getting. Because of that only you have got even graph also. I gave some chapters where we discussed about 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, y equal to x, a straight line makes angle 45 with x axis, in breakup everywhere, but not 1 now. Okay, 1 to 2, 2 to 3. Like that we are giving all x values to domain. Where is the graph exactly lies on y axis up to 1 only, but not 1. That is why I give dotted line. Where it is starting on y axis from 0. Okay, 0 is possible, but not 1. That is why I said range is nothing but values on y axis. Where I am going on x axis, so many I am going. Right to left I will go. Positive, negative. That is called R. This is range. No values y negative. Decimal, remember, cannot be negative. Impossible. There is no question of writing 3 point minus 2. Impossible. There is no such existence. Existence. Definition. Domain. Non-existence. Not defined. Not eligible. These are all alternate synonyms. As per the statement, you put your answer reply. Okay? In any case, finally, what is our concept? How you will measure the domain when the problem is given. This is about special functions. Mod x, step of x, fractional part of x. This is about special functions. In case if they ask any other functions, suppose examples, we say problems. What are the problems at the table I gave last? That problems dealing with the entire chapter. Suddenly they will ask one problem. Find the domain of f of x is equal to old paper problem. Such type of questions will come. Then what to do? Hence I gave at the last column the table problems. That problems we are discussing for all units. When you get these type of functions, so far I gave you single function only. We didn't write the combination, algebraic sum. Now I will give you a common rule. If there is combination of, means algebraic sum of 2-3 varieties of functions, not single function. Not single function. Combination is given. Then how to do? Consider domain of this is A, domain of this is B, domain of function f of x is their intersection, A intersection B. Algebraic sum, remember, addition, subtraction, not product. Okay, now as a common rule, it was a very important and a very old problem in mains and in other exams, repeated number of times this models, and it is there in some textbook also. These varieties are there, very useful. Then, as a rule, I will tell you here, write down, let domain of f of x. A. Domain of g of x. B. Then domain of y equal to fx plus gx or minus gx is there a and b common intersection a intersection b. Okay, this is about a intersection b. Then okay, I give one problem here. We will see what is the observation here. What should the right answer? Main problem here. First function you take, because it is in the numerator, 0 is eligible. Since it is square root, positive only eligible, means x plus 2 greater than or equal to 0. X greater than or equal to minus 2. Easy to get answer, you put real line. Minus 2. Including full, excluding dotted line. All we have got many times. Greater than right side, less than left side. That is our general procedure. This is our domain, means these are all values possible. Okay, first function over. Second problem. Logarithm first. Next it is denominator. First consider log. What is our log general fashion? Must be strictly greater than 0. Strictly greater than 0. Okay. X minus 1 greater than 0. If it is in the numerator. Now, because it is denominator, whole thing cannot be 0, because 1 by 0 infinity. Whole thing cannot be 0 means when it will be 0, when x equal to 1. When x equal to 1 not possible, therefore x is greater than 1. I wrote here x minus 1 strictly positive, reason is that only. So x is equal to 1 also not possible. All values are existing. And it is clear on real line, if I put 1 here, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 not necessary. 1, after 1 is not there, dotted line, greater than, right side. One function you do above line, other function you do below line, so that instead of Venn diagram, where is common up and down, below and above, where it is giving common, that is called A intersection B only. Okay, then all solutions. From here it is common. From here it is common, but not 1. Therefore, how to write answer? 1 to infinity, open. This is final solution. A intersection. For suppose correct or wrong, checking. After 1, take 2. Define the shape. Your answer is meaningful. 2 write down. Okay. Define. 2 write down. 2 minus 1. Log 1. But log 1 is 0. Log 1 is 0. 1 by 0 infinity. That means you are getting after 1, 2 also not possible. What is implies here r plus you have to consider. Whole thing cannot be 1. Not only 0. That means x minus 1 is not equal to 1. Why? Because log 1 is 0. Anyway, whole thing cannot be 1. Therefore, x is not equal to 1 plus 1. But you are writing answer is 1 to infinity. 2 is danger. How to mention in mains? That is why this is very important problem. How to write answer? As your definition is concerned 1 to infinity, but 2 is problem. Minus 2 you have to write. One alternate. Then second alternate. 1 to 2 break up. Where you will break up? It is actually problem is at 2 here. Circle 2. Problem is 2. 1 to 2. 2 to infinity. Union 2 to infinity. This is final and best answer. This maximum they will give in options. This This is there in the options in the material also. Old material, in any question paper you see, to this problem, final answer is that. That means step by step. First, where we started doing this function, positive one, negative one, 0 na, not 0 na, decide. Consider this answer. Second function, plus or minus is not a problem. Consider second function. Under log defined positive. Denominator cannot be 0. Because x minus 1 now. Cannot be 1 now. Suppose if I write x plus 2. If I give 1 by x plus 2, log of x plus 2. Here, x plus 2 strictly positive as per original definition is okay. X plus 2 not equal to 0 also okay. But where it will be 1 now? When x plus 2 equal to 1, what is x value? This is your danger level. That you have to remove. Okay. So x plus 2 greater than 0 means x greater than minus 2. X greater than minus 2. If you put real line, you will understand very clearly. Then after minus 2, here dotted line greater than right hand side up to infinity, but there is objection speed breaker. Where is that speed breaker? Suddenly while going on minus 2, minus 1, 0 will not go. It will stop definitely at minus 1. Danger. Here speed breaker. Here discontinuity. Suddenly multi-level concept. Defined domain continuity. Not defined, not in the domain, discontinuity. Okay? This is the one, the first and the best definition to start the chapter, continuity, discontinuity. Okay? So indirectly, remember, continuity means defined domain. Sometimes where it is not defined also you will give. That is so called discontinuity. Okay? So where it is break at minus 1. Break it here also interval minus 2 to minus 1 union. This is so called break up in the domain where it is defined. These are all varieties of problems. Sometimes we have to practice these models. That is why where in the table problems last column that discuss that deals with all the items, domain, range, inverse, composite function, many things we are getting. Therefore, we will see that this type of problems we are doing further. But as a rule, f of x domain, g of x domain, domain of algebraic sum is intersection B. This rule, how you will understand as an example discussion. And also I got very, by chance, very important function. Okay. Sometimes multiplication happens. Now I am not discussing. As per your limit is concerned, algebraic sum. Product where you will consider, that we will discuss. Very rare cases, not here. Does not imply a product I am not writing. It is there, but very rare. 1 in 100 possible, such that the product further cannot be split. It happens generally in the trigonometry. Okay? Product cannot be further simplified finally, then you can consider A intersection B. Okay. But for your level and up to mains level going, you will get algebraic sum will be like this one. This is about domain, how we are calculating. Range is very rare, but I give you one important rule here to some problems. In that some problems also very common problem. Very common and easy also. Even it is possible in CET first only. Very easiest and important problem is how to find range of. First I am giving you direct formula only. Later I will tell you one by one. Suddenly they will ask you, find this I am doing. Why I put here very powerful function throughout the syllabus. How I say throughout the syllabus? This function I have discussed with all the topics so called continuity, differentiation, we know derivative, how to write derivative. Don't find u by v rule. determinant by denominator whole square, integration I gave. Okay, these are all useful. This is very useful function. Now I am giving you, okay, how you will find range. First of all, range of, first I will discuss with inverse of a function. Why? Because inverse we need here, there is a relation between these two. To find range dimension we need inverse. Inverse of a function, how to calculate, if you know, you will get range automatic. Okay. What is inverse function meaning? Suppose if I say f a to b is a function defined, then the function from b to a is called inverse of the function defined or denoted in symbolic form f power minus 1. Understood, 1 by f is not possible. Symbolic form, provided f must be bijective 1 and onto, then it is possible. Inverse I am not writing definition. F a to b is bijective, then the function from b to a is called inverse of f and is denoted by f inverse. Therefore, all are story common. That song I don't want. I am just writing what is the inverse here. That means if you observe here, I am changing domain range into reverse order. This I am using here, very very powerful weapon. Whatever they want range, you calculate inverse, you write domain only. Range finding directly is very complicated. Okay, complicated in the sense it will take more time. For students, not easy. For you, which is best method? Whenever they want range, you find inverse. You know the domain. Right or wrong? Best method. Okay? For that range, first I am giving you inverse in this way, reason is this only. But how to find the inverse of the function? What is working rule? Let y equal to f of x. Next step, express x in terms of y. It is definitely possible. Explicit function. Little, very oracle if I do. High language, mains advanced. To find inverse of the function, first of all, it must be explicit function. This we have defined during the chapters so-called differential equations. Order of the function, homogeneous function, explicitly, implicitly. It is explicit function. Express x in terms of y, means reverse. Okay, that is only for notation I am writing. Some g of y you get. Next step, replace y as x. So, inverse of f of x is g of x. Replace y as x. Therefore, what is inverse of f of x notation? Inverse of f inverse. Our Indian in shortest language, f inverse. Actually speaking, inverse of f, and hence I will write f inverse x. G of x equal to f inverse x. This is our general rule. This is so called in the table I gave inverse of a function. How to find? If you know the inverse, advantage. Either they will ask you find the inverse of the function, or they will ask you find the range of the function. Now directly I will give you how you will find inverse of this function. Same for range later. Now I am directly doing this problem only. To find inverse of y equal to, actually y equal to f of x equal to ABCD. This is our problem. First I give you solution. Reason, by chance in the exam if you don't know formula, do the method. What is our method? Express x in terms of y. So cross multiply cxy dy. Then all x terms must be one side. Cxy minus ax. B minus dy. X is common. Cy minus a. B minus dy. X is equal to b minus dy by cy minus a. This is our problem given. Okay, this is our x equal to. Then after writing x equal to in terms of y, then replace y as x. Therefore we are writing f inverse x. What is the answer? B minus dx, cx minus a. Okay. Now I will write for you in a shortest form. What is the shortest form? I will tell you is minus dx plus a by cx minus a. Okay. Take minus outside in the numerator. Minus of dx minus a cx minus a. Or this is my answer. If I write like this, okay. Dx minus b. That is why I am saying why. Now you see. Now you can understand. Or finally, this is your answer important. Minus is common every time. Now I am using matrices determinants only. Matrices only. No personal functions. How I will use matrices? If you know in the chapter, for a 2 by 2 matrix A, B, C, D, what is adjoint of A? We know adjoint of the matrix. What is adjoint matrix for 2 by 2 easiest way? Interchange principal diagonal, opposite sign of other diagonal. Interchange principal diagonal meaning sign not changing places. AD becomes DA. Opposite sign means minus B minus C. This is our rule for 2 by 2. 3 by 3 also we know how to write it. This is our rule as per 2 by 2. I wrote the adjoint matrix only. Minus of adjoint matrix. You remember matrices, you know the inverse. This is the problem I gave. A, B, C, D. What is your answer? Interchange principal diagonal. Okay. Interchange principal diagonal. Opposite side. This minus I will give here. Minus C. Now you see. Exactly same adjoint matrix only. AD becomes DA. BC becomes minus B minus C. You blindly write adjoint matrix. Now I want answer. 3x plus 4 by 5x plus 6. See the matrices only. Don't see inverse. Your matrix is 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the adjoint matrix? Interchange. 6x. They give plus 4. You write minus 4. Here 5x given. Minus 5x write down. 6, 3 we are interchanging. Over. So you are doing adjoint of the matrix. This is very rare where people should realize yes, the shortest possibility of getting answer in the matter of matrices only I am using adjoint matrix. This is the one best rule where you can finish range also later. I will tell you how it connects to range. I will tell you. Suppose I write problem 5x minus 4 by 7x plus 3. What is the adjoint? What is the inverse? Means what is adjoint? Interchange these two. Sign change and nothing is there. 3 will be here, 5 will be here. Therefore, 3x minus 4 given on plus 4. 7x given minus 7x. Plus 3 here on 5 will be here. Answer is finished. Later you cancel minus, they will do it in secondary. First you are finishing answer. This is the best possibility of giving inverse of a function, and very common problem. They will ask problems this variety. Hence next time I am writing how you will find inverse of the function in the order list of functions. I will write like domain I gave. Inverse also I will give you. Later I will tell you range is the powerful way of giving answer immediately because of inverse. Okay. That is very useful. After finishing that concept to composite and everything, then we will start doing problems. And hence there is enough today. We will stop the story here.